Today, I'm going over the anatomy of the key signature. The key signature is at the beginning of the music. It's near the staff, next to the bass clef sign or the treble clef sign. Put your finger on the key signature now. In the last video, we learned about sharps and flats. Now, let's draw a sharps and flats. A sharp looks like a hashtag sign. So, look at the sharp sign on the board. Now, think about what you would have to do to draw that sharp sign. Let's draw it together now. A line going down on the left, and then a line going down on the right. And then two lines going across that are kind of going in an upward fashion. Remember, when you put them in the key signature, to make sure you carefully place the F sharp sign through the top line F. Let's draw a sharp sign now. We talked about drawing a sharp sign. Now, let's draw a flat sign. A flat sign looks like a lowercase b, a line going down on the left with a curvy little circle near the bottom of it. When you draw this in your staff, make sure you're putting it in the proper line or space. Like a B flat sign will go through the B line. Let's draw a B flat sign now. Line going down on the left, and a little circle. We've talked about flats and sharps so far. Now let's draw that natural sign. The natural sign is its own sign. It doesn't really look like anything except a natural sign. Look at the natural sign and compare it to the sharp sign. Make sure you know the difference because some people will confuse those two signs, but they're very different as we learned earlier. Now let's draw a natural sign. A line going down on the left and then a line going across. And then you'll take another line, will attach the middle of the first line and coming down. You could see that in the image. Practice drawing a natural sign now. Draw several of them. Now there's some things that kids get confused on when they talk about a natural sign. Then remember, the natural sign cancels out a flat or a sharp that was either earlier in the measure or in the key signature. So when one of your band directors, Mr. Brooks, Mr. DeRozier, or myself, uses the term B natural, it means the same thing as B. So let's do a couple right now. F equals F natural. B equals B natural. We're talking about the same thing, but sometimes we use the term natural because it has already canceled out a flat or a sharp that you've seen earlier in the piece or earlier in the measure or in the key signature. Remember, F equals F natural. B equals B natural. Go get it. In band class, not everybody is working with the same key signature at the same time. For instance, in concert B flat, there are some people that are working with two flats. Some people are working with an F sharp. Some people are working with no sharps and no flats. And some people are just working with just a B flat. So everybody's playing a different key signature at the same time. Now we're not going to get into why that's the case, but look below and find your key signature for concert B flat. Now let's talk about concert E flat. We talked earlier about how everybody's playing with a different key signature. Well, in concert E flat, some people are playing with 3 flats, and some people are playing with 1 flat. Some people are playing with 2 flats, and some people are playing with no sharps or no flats. Look below and find your key signature for concert E flat. Now, complete assignment 1. Good luck.